How to fix Telegram verification code not receiving. If you're trying to log in to your Telegram account, but you're not receiving the verification code, first thing we're going to try to check is our internet connection. Make sure that's perfectly just fine. Second, make sure that you have access to the phone number to which you're trying to log into your Telegram account. So if you're trying to log into a certain account, make sure that you have got access to that phone number. If not, you will not receive messages. Make sure also that you're in a place where you're receiving messages so that Telegram can send you the OTP code that you're looking for. Now, sometimes what happens is Telegram will not send you the code on your SMS. Instead, if Telegram notices one of the logged in devices still have access to your account, for example, if you have logged in your Telegram account on your browser, so it will send the Telegram code to your browser, so which is on your tablet or other devices. Now, even if you were logged in on this exact device before and without logging out, you uninstalled and reinstalled it, and when you try to send the code, Telegram still thinks you have access to the Telegram account, so it is going to send a verification code to the Telegram account where your Telegram account is still logged in on other devices. Now, even after you don't get that, sometimes Telegram might ask you to resend by SMS. If it's still not working, do not try from the same page over and over again. Close the Telegram app completely. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Search for the update of Telegram application. Check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And if none of these are absolutely working, only one suggestion I can give you is to finally download this another application called Telegram X. This is not a third-party app. This is also one of the official app from Telegram developers themselves. So you can instead use this app. Every feature will be exactly as Telegram, and you can still use the same account and phone number and see if this works best for you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.